free items for couples who is expecting babies.
Yes.
Okay. Three different.
So cool.
Okay.
Pacifier.
For free.
Yes. First item, pacifier. So cool. And then this one. Awesome.
A buddy.
Yeah.
That's a big one. Suits me.
Yeah, that's so cool. And then we also have a baby wipes. And they also gave us cotton buds.
Oh. Well, we use a ton of those. So.
Also cool. And this is a bath soap. Bath soap. And then they also gave us babypakker. Dried tissues.
Yeah.
And then the last one is diapers. So
Mini
cool.
diaper.
Yeah.
Cool. That was from one store?
Yeah. That's from Rematusen.
Rematusen.
Next box is from Kiwi.
Also a supermarket.
Yes. So here they gave us diapers.
Again.
And then a newborn diapers again. This time it's a newborn. Then when he reached 3 to 6 months. And then this is so cool. So awesome.
2 spoons.
Baby spoon. And then of course baby wipes.
Ah,
And then
you can never have enough of those.
oh, they also give something for me.
For a mother.
A napkin, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And then another napkin from the breast.
Cool.
And then one more baby wipes.
Yeah, as I said, you can't get enough of those.
And then this nursing pad for me when I start breastfeeding.
Mm-hmm.
There you go. Those are cool stuff too. Third box is from the pharmacy. Isn't pharmacy?
Yes.
Let's see.
Pharmacy. Kind of cool that they give out free stuff
Yes.
like this.
Awesome. Okay, there you go.
Free
First
stuff
thing
from
is-
pharmacy.
Yeah. It's almost like a cream for baby, maybe for irritation. So a cream. They also gave us pacifier. Another pacifier. Cool. And then they gave us this one, salve. So is it also for diaper rash?
Yeah,
Yeah.
usually.
Together. And then
Exciting.
I have this one. It's almost like for me when I start breastfeeding.
Oh yeah.
A pad. And then they gave us this almost like a baby wash. A body wash.
No, color wash. That's for washing clothes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so that's for washing clothes now. And then this is one
Wow.
is so cool.
Drinking bottle.
Yeah.
Nice.
Awesome. And then they gave us baby wipes.
No perfume.
Yeah, no perfume. And then diapers. So we have a lot of diapers now.
Yeah, this for the first
Yeah.
2 weeks.
And then some tissue also.
Dry.
Everything is dermatology tested. And I have this one. Oh, this is for when I start breastfeeding and you start feeling some soreness on it. You just have to put this one. So cool. And then tons of magazines
Oh,
for babies and parents. There you go. And you play. What is this? 2 months free.
huh?
We got a
Really?
card. I don't know what is that.
That's online. You can play videos
For 2 months for
or
free.
movies from Viasat,
Yeah.
or maybe I shouldn't show that code. I'm not quite sure.
No, I shouldn't. And this it's almost like
A pamphlet of.
some coupons also.
Oh,
Yeah. Pamphlets and coupons.
cool.
So there you go.
Nice.
So here's the link where you can get all those items for those who live in Norway and for those who are expecting babies. And then you just have to scroll down and you just choose which store you want to get those freebies. Usually we got one from this one, and then we just answered or fill up, and then afterwards they gave us confirmation email, and then they just wanted us to get it after 3 days, which we did. And what? Ba't ka po? Dupan sa akin.
3 months before.
Yeah, 3 months before anybody would give birth. Then we also got from this one, from Matusen. And they put the list there. Same thing, fill up, get the confirmation code, and that's it. So I hope anybody who also will give birth could also get the same benefits. Thank you guys for watching.
On my mind, so saying with hope and you were sure I couldn't agree that we were meant to be, but our love is what they talk about, what they talk about.